I'm gonna make Jamaican jerk chicken. To make that, I need a Jamaican jerk sauce. I have my ingredients here, a lot of stuff. I got my garlic, fresh garlic, yes, garlic. I get my Scotch bonnet, I got my onion and garlic powder. I got thyme, ground thyme. So I got a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit. And rosemary. That is my way of doing Jamaican jerk spice. There's so many versions of Jamaican jerk spice. So I got my fresh thyme. Then I get clove. I get allspice. I got rosemary, dry rosemary. Spice it up. I'm gonna add some kind of chili flakes. I need more heat. Chili flakes. Okay. I need a black pepper. Crushed black pepper. I have some parsley here too. I got some brown sugar. I got lime juice. I got vinegar, white vinegar. Okay, and I got my soy sauce. Soy sauce is here. So I got basically everything to start my Jamaican sauce. So I'm gonna blend it with some soy sauce here. This is dark soy sauce. So I'm gonna blend it, cover it here, put it here, okay. So I got my green onions. I'm gonna add red onion also for more flavor. Okay. Sauce is done. Here is my Jamaican jerk sauce. My jerk sauce is ready, so I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, looking good. My Jamaican jerk sauce. Jamaican jerk sauce. So I'll be clean. Yeah. I'm gonna marinate my jerk chicken right now. So what I'm gonna do, add a little bit of soy sauce to coat the chicken. A little bit of soy sauce. Coat the chicken. So I'm gonna mix it. So now I'm gonna add my jack sauce. Mixing it, make sure it's well coated. Oh, looking good. Look at this. This is Ray Jamaican's jack sauce. Ray one. I'm not from Jamaica, but I'm making an authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to infuse the flavor of the jerk sauce into the chicken. I'm gonna leave the chicken in the fridge till I need it, and I'll grill. You can try this at home. Follow the steps and make yourself good. Remember, food is one of the most memorable events in one's life. You eat good food, you remember till you die. Whatever I do, I put my heart and my soul in it. So the end result is fantastic. According to my customers. I'm not the one who is saying it, but the customers. I'm done. Yeah. I'm gonna leave this in the fridge till I need it. When I need it, then I'll grill. And then I'll make my rice. That is rice and beans. Watch it in Ghana. Watch it. I'm gonna make a sauce for the jerk chicken. So I got my olive oil. My onions. This is onions, tomato. We call it sofrito in Spanish. That is the base for most of their sauces. Olive oil. I'm gonna saute this for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add my diced tomato. I'm now gonna add my fresh diced tomato. Add tomato paste. I'm gonna add my tomato puree. Just sauce. There's a difference between spice and sauce. Watch it. It's not an authentic watch it. It's good. Rice and beans. In Ghana we call it watch it. The Jamaican chicken with rice and peas or rice and beans is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Till next time. Goodbye.